Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's October the 24th, 2021. We are here to give you all a BBIG stock prediction. This could be a trap. Okay, I'm giving you all that this could be a trap, and don't fall for it because we need to talk about what happened the last couple of days in the market for BBIG. We're going to talk about that today. Now, before I do, keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel. What we do here on this channel, our purpose is to ensure that we are able to predict price movement without being confused, without using technical indicators, without any fundamental analysis. Just look at price bars and volume to see where the market is anticipated to go so that you and I can both capitalize and profit in this space. I mean, take a look at our last price prediction. It's right here staring us in our face. We can look at it visually that we were playing the weakness in BBIG right there on October the 21st, 2021. I told you then that the price in BBIG was going to go down. Now, given that that's the case, this is where the trap is, because many people are still expecting BBIG to continue to go up. Now, okay, cool. If many people are expecting the price to go up, but if the chart is giving us something totally different, we need to follow the chart. Under all circumstances, we don't deviate off of the price chart. Whatever the price chart tells us is what we do, is the way we move. We don't follow anyone else's presumptions, anyone else's ideas. The chart is the foundation of truth. It gives us what everyone else thinks. It's the consensus of everyone's idea, right? So as long as you pay attention to the price chart, you will see where the majority of the individuals are expecting the market to go, or if they believe that the market's going to go up, or if they believe that the market's going to go down. It tells us that. So this is where the trap is. First of all, let me get rid of this price prediction. Hopefully you all was able to capitalize on that 19.5% profitability within 3 days. Like I said, we did our video on October 21st, playing the weakness in BBIG, 20% right there. Okay, right there. So let me get rid of it, because we still need to see where's the trap. Where do you think the trap is? Because when I did our video on the 21st of October, we were tracking BBIG's price move right here alongside this ascending line, right? And we wanted to see the price grab this ascending line. And instead of us grabbing it, look at that. We broke below that ascending line. So it confirms that the market is not a buy right now in BBIG. That us breaking this ascending line trend lets us know that the market in BBIG is a lot weaker than what most people are trying to say. Now, they're going to tell you to come in and continue to buy the dip in BBIG. Cool. But understand that the market in BBIG is not going to go up in price until we see this market break back up above this ascending line. Okay. So this ascending line now is going to act as restriction. So even if we were to see the price in BBIG go up and we bounce and hit our head on this ascending line, then that still tells us that the market is still weak. Okay. So let's clean this chart up, because we are no longer seeing the price in BBIG trade up there around $9. We're not. This is where our focus is going to be now in BBIG, right here alongside this ascending line. Okay. So let me extend it out a little bit further, because this is where our forecast is going to be dependent on, right? If we ever see the price in BBIG break back up above this ascending line, then the market is going to go up. If it doesn't, then we understand that the market is going to go down, right? So check this out. This is the 3-day time frame into the market in BBIG. Now look at how weak the market is in BBIG over the last 3 days of trading. I'm not hiding anything from you all. If the market in BBIG was truly strong and we were finding a lot of buyers into the market, it would look like this bar right here. But it's not. We saw the market able to go as high as $7.32 over the last 3 days, but we end up closing at $5.19. That is a decrease in value of 33.25% in the last 3 days. That's how much value this particular market has lost in BBIG. This is more confirmation that there is still a little bit of weakness here into this particular market. So now let's look at this on a weekly time frame. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame in BBIG, right? Last week, the week of October the 11th, 2021, BBIG saw the market go from $5 as high as $9, right? And then immediately the next week, the price in BBIG went from a high of $9, came all the way back down to a low of $5. So all of the work that BBIG did during the week of October the 11th was completely erased the next following week. That is massively weak right there. So these different time frames is giving us the overall momentum as to where the market is trying to go. I'm not here convincing you. I'm simply showing you the proof of what the market has already done. And it gives us more information that we're looking for BBIG to continue to go down. Look at this 2-week price bar. Just look at this. We started the last 2 weeks in price movement in BBIG at $5. Went all the way up there to $9 just to close back down to $5. Now, the market in BBIG truly was strong. If it really was that strong, we would have seen the market close up here towards that $9 price, but we didn't. So we appreciate the market giving us this information, right? Even though many people say that the market is manipulated, cool, but we still see the evidence as to what people has done over the last couple of 2 weeks in BBIG's market. You cannot hide from that. I don't care if these massive hedge funds are participating in BBIG. I don't care if it's a regular retail investor or trader. We can still see everyone's positions, or at least what they did. We can see it. So currently, we have to play the weakness into the market in BBIG until we get the change. Right now, the market is weak. So let's try to see where the market in BBIG can go then, right? I'm seeing that support in BBIG can be maintained right around here, around $4.50. Okay. Now, for us to see the market bounce off $4.50, it's about 13% movement to the downside. We can still see the market fall to $4.50. That will give us 13% profitability. We could eat off that. What about from a monthly perspective? Let's see what we got from a monthly time frame in BBIG, because the next area is going to be here, around $4 even. Okay. This is around 21.5%. Now, this is the monthly time frame. We got 5 days and 5 hours left. And if the market in BBIG was to conclude this way, right? If we still see the market in BBIG close but on the low of this monthly price bar, we're not going to hold $4. We're going to continue to go a lot lower in price in the long term from a monthly basis. I'm just here to give you that information. Now, it's not conclusive yet because we still got 5 days and 5 hours left before this October monthly price bar ends. But given how it looks right now, this market in BBIG is extremely weak. Extremely weak. So we're going to continue to play that in this space. All right. So let me take you back over to the daily, because we want to follow the market in BBIG on the daily time frame, right? And so far, I'm giving us about 2 areas for us to see the market bounce and grab support, right? 2 areas. And it's right here. First area is $4.50, okay? Right there. So we need to at least grab the bag, take the profitability out of the market before we see the market in BBIG go up. That gives us around 12.5%. Second area is going to be around $4, which is around 21.5. Third area is down here towards $3.50, 31.66. So I've given you 3 areas to where I'm seeing the price in BBIG go. Now it's your turn. Hit me up. Let me know your expectations into the market in BBIG. And we're going to continue to play the weakness into the market in BBIG as long as the market continues to trade below $6. Okay. Now, let me get rid of this. And we're going to follow the market on this trend, because if we're not able to see the market in a relatively short amount of time break back up above that ascending line, then we understand that this is how we're going to trade, right? We're going to continue to do this in the market in BBIG. Now, let's say that we were to see the market come up here, right? And we get rejected. That still tells me that the market is weak. Okay. So let me go ahead and bring this up just a little bit more for us to continue to expect us. Initially, beginning of this trading week, we can see the market try to recover, try to come back up in price, which is why I'm going to extend it up there towards 650. All right. So that's it. this is my expectation. This is what I'm looking forward to in BBIG. I want you all to tell me your thoughts, your expectations going forward into the market in BBIG. If I miss anything on the price chart that will show you that the market, instead of going down, should be going up, then tell everyone in our community. Point it out. Leave me a comment right now. Drop me your price prediction too as to where you're looking for the market in BBIG to go in the next 3 weeks. I'm done. It is your turn. I'm out. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.